Welcome to this brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to become a super affiliate and earn anywhere from $500 to $10,000 plus per month as an affiliate promoting affiliate offers from different networks. Okay, now before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on my YouTube channel, then please smash the red subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. And also share this video with your followers. They will love it and they will get a lot of value. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so one of the networks that you probably heard about is called digistore24.com. Okay, this is an alternate to Clickbank, as so many Clickbank vendors have moved. In fact, they have created a duplicate product on digistore24.com, and a lot of people have been having problems with Clickbank. They can't sign up or their country is not listed. So here's a solution. You could go to digistore24.com and you could start promoting digistore24.com products as an affiliate, promoting other people's products. Now let me just talk a bit about affiliate marketing, what it means and why it's the best way to get started online as a business owner. Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's product and earning commissions. That could be a digital product, an info product, a book, a software, or it could be physical products as well. The good part about affiliate marketing is you don't need a website, you don't need to have any kind of technical skills, and you don't need to create any product, you don't need to do some fancy guru launches, etc. The only thing you need to have experience is conversions and traffic generation. Okay, so if you know how to drive traffic, you know how to convert that traffic, you could become a very wealthy person online and have a real successful six-figure and seven-figure internet business. So in this video, step by step, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to start creating live powerful, amazing affiliate commissions using Digistore24. And remember, the methods that I'm going to talk about in this video works with any network. You could promote Clickbank product, you could promote JVZoo offers, you could promote high ticket offers. This method works. All right, so let's dive into this video. At the end of the video, I'm going to also talk about traffic generation, which is one of the most important parts of this business, and 99% people fail because they don't know how to drive traffic. So let's dive into this video. So you can see here I'm logged in to my digistore24.com, and now I have gone to the Digistore24 marketplace, and you can see on the left hand side you're going to see all these categories of products. Okay, now you could promote any product down here, whichever one you're passionate about. Try to promote that product, because if you do come in through bumps and humps, which is normal in business, you're not going to give up. And when you never give up, you're never going to fail. Okay, so I am more into weight loss and make money online. In fact, make money online is my priority niche, so I'm going to go into weight loss I'm going to go into make money online niche. Okay, so it's internet marketing and e-business. So you can see here Digistore24 does a great job. They prioritize the product according to conversions and sales automatically. So you can see here one of the products down here is to mastery and monetization. Now this is a high ticket offer. All right, you can see that the front end offer is for $997. Now if you are just getting started as an affiliate and you're just a beginner, I highly recommend you promote low ticket offers and do not start with high ticket offers until you have a bit of experience. Okay, because when it comes to high ticket, it's the same method, but you need to learn how to drive a lot more traffic, and you need a powerful self-esteem and self-confidence inside yourself, because it does take a bit of time to get those commissions. So if you're not going to get your commissions very quickly, you're just going to lower your self-esteem, self-confidence, and guess what? At the end, you're just going to give up. Okay, and the biggest failure is giving up. You don't want to give up. Okay, so we're going to choose one of the products down here. This is another product down here as well. You probably know this product. This guy is all over the YouTube as well. Done for your services affiliate marketing system, and it pays $484.21. This is another high ticket offer as well. What we're going to do, we're going to find a product which is a low ticket offer. So I'm going to see this product down here. All right, I just found a product. It's all about how to profit from affiliate campaigns. Now, first of all, what I'm seeing here is just a normal general page, which is not very attractive. So obviously, I am not going to promote this product. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to stick to this product. But in my case, if I wanted to make money, I wouldn't promote this product, because someone's going to come here and they're going to look at this and they're just going to move back. In fact, they might even not click on these links. So I would not definitely promote this product. But for demonstration purposes, just say I wanted to promote this product. So what I will look at first, I will look at how much product they're going to pay me. This looks like a high ticket commission as well, $543.76. But like I said, if you're just getting started as an affiliate, make sure you're promoting a low ticket offer. So this is going to pay me this amount of money. The cancellation rate is 23.5%, which is not good. All right, so there are some kind of glitches here, but let's just stick to this product. So just say I want you to promote this product. So step one, what you need to do is you want to go to the affiliate support page, okay? And you want to see what he has to offer. All right, so you could see that this guy's got nothing here, nothing, my friend, nothing. So we don't want to promote this product. Let's just, even for demonstration purposes, I don't want to promote that product. Let's just stick to another product, okay? So let's just go here, okay? And remember, when it comes to promoting products on digistore24.com, you need to get approved. So when you want to promote any product, you need to click on the promote button, and then the vendor will approve you. So let's just go back to page number 1. And for this purpose, let's just stick to this product here. Now, this product is a high ticket offer, but it's got a very good sales page. As you can see down here, it looks very attractive. It's all about YouTube channels and how to make multiple 6 and 7 figure online. All right, so just say I want to promote this product. What do I want to do first? Let's just talk about the step-by-step process. Normally what people would do, they would get the affiliate link, all right, and they will start smashing that affiliate link all over the web, which in result is called spamming. This is the wrong way of doing business. Okay, what you need to do is you need to go through the steps, which is, first of all, you need to create a high converting lead magnet page around this product. Where's that product gone again? Okay, it's this product to mastery. You need to create a lead magnet page. Now, how do you do that? If you have technical skills, you could do it with, it only takes about 5-10 minutes. If you don't have technical skills, you could go to services like fiverr.com and you could pay someone to create a lead magnet page for you, a bit similar to this one. Okay, you could also use free tools and paid tools. Free tools, if you're part of the autoresponder called GetResponse, they do provide you with tools to create landing pages. It's part of the autoresponder. Even Aweber has this. Okay, or you could use other free tools as well. If you just do a search on Google, you will find so many free tools that allows you to have landing pages. You could also do some search that where they give you done for you ready-made templates, and you just have to use those templates. You could also use paid tools like ClickFunnels, okay, ClickFunnels, lead pages, builderall, whatever it's called. Okay, you could use these kind of tools as well to create high converting lead magnet pages. I use ClickFunnels because it's a one-in solution for all funnels. If you want to create sales pages, webinar pages, registration pages, lead funnel, lead magnet, etc., it allows you to do it with a drag and drop funnel builder. Okay, and if you want to join ClickFunnels, the links are going to be in the description box below this video. So first of all, you need to have a lead magnet page. Second of all, you need to have an autoresponder. Okay, why do you need an autoresponder? Just because you're going to be driving traffic to a page like this, and when you drive traffic, people are going to enter their email down here. They're going to click on submit. They're going to be redirected to this offer down here. Okay, now because this is a high ticket offer, in your case it will be a low ticket. Most people will not buy. You don't have to worry, because you're going to have their information, their contact details in your autoresponder. So let me just go to list down here. All right, and you can see this is one of the autoresponder I have, where I have over 7,900 subscribers. Okay, so people are going to come into your list, and this is where you're going to communicate from your list. So what you could do here is, if you want to communicate with your list, there's several ways to communicate. One of the way is creating a broadcast message, which is called creating a newsletter. You write a quick 5-10 minute email and blast it out to 7,000 people who have shown interest that they want to learn how to make money from home, and you send it out. Instantly you start generating traffic and potential sales. This is called traffic on demand. This is called free traffic in a way that you have your own list, and you don't have to go out there and create a PPV media by campaigns. Okay, so that's why I always say focus on list building. The money is in the list. Have you seen all those top gurus? crushing all the contests, crushing all the leaderboards, crushing Clickbank, crushing all the affiliate networks. You know why? They have a massive list, okay? I know one internet marketer who had a list of 500,000 subscribers, and that guy was generating 3,000 subscribers per day. He's just buying traffic after traffic after traffic after traffic. I know another internet marketer who has a list of 800,000 subscribers, and that guy was generating millions of dollars online. Okay, these people have a massive list, so focus on list building. You could see I'm also buying traffic, focusing on list building. I'm not just teaching you the theory, I'm teaching you what I do myself in my business. Look at this, I got 51 leads yesterday. Now remember, this is paid traffic. I'm not doing for this purpose, for this autoresponder right now. What you're seeing currently, this is all paid traffic, not free traffic. Okay, with free traffic is very hard to get 51 leads a day. Okay, if I go into my last, just say this week, you can see I've generated 155 leads. If I go into this month, you can see that I've generated 4,048 leads and subscribers. This is today, the March 31st 2021, and I have generated 4,048 subscribers. How did I get that? I've been doing paid traffic, my friend. Okay, so that's number two. Number three, what you need to do once you create your list, which is very, very simple. Now, if you go to my YouTube channel, okay, I have a complete tutorial on this YouTube. By the way, you know my YouTube channel is all about making money from home. Affiliate marketing, lead generation, traffic generation, lead magnet, creating campaigns, how to create a successful 6, 7, 8-figure business from scratch from home. That's what my YouTube channel is all about. So if you are related to any of these topics, then make sure you smash the red subscribe button and click that notification bell so you get all my future video notifications. Okay, so I have couple of tutorials, a complete tutorial on how to set up your get response account, how to create your list, how to create your email follow-ups. Make sure you scroll through my Clickbank Success YouTube channel. Okay, there are so many videos talking about all of this. Okay, so you've got that, and then what you need to do is you go into your list and then you want to create email follow-ups. Now remember, when it comes to email follow, let me show you what email follow-ups will look like. Okay, so if I go to my show autoresponder, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to see all this. This is called email follow-ups. What is email follow-up? Basically, email follow-ups is that when a person subscribes to my YouTube to my lead magnet page, automatically on completely autopilot, he's going to receive an email straight into his inbox. This is a set and forget money machine. You write these emails out once, and then those emails will go out on your behalf on completely autopilot. Okay, this is what you call set and forget. Now, if you're going to promote a low ticket offer, you want to have minimum 7 days of email, 1 email per day going out. And if you're going to promote a high ticket offer, then you want to have minimum 14 days of email. Okay, because it's quite it takes a bit more effort to convert a high ticket offer. All right, now question, I'm an affiliate marketer, I'm a beginner, I'm just getting started, where should I get these emails from? Okay, very good question. Very good question. Affiliate support page. If you come to the affiliate support page, if you come here, click here to sign up. Okay, let's just see if he's providing some kind of email swipes. All right, he's not providing email swipes. Don't say that. Okay, go on my YouTube ads by clicking here. Go on my top Instagram by clicking here. All right, free YouTube traffic. Okay, the cream app is for $6 per month on YouTube and has almost no comments all the time for this now. All right, not bad. Okay, this guy is not providing any kind of email follow-ups. Unbelievable. Okay, so by the way, whenever you want to promote a product, make sure you find a product that provides you with email follow-ups. Okay, very, very important, very, very simple. Okay, what is an email follow-up? You probably received email follow-up. The second way to do this is you probably have subscribed to so many internet marketers. You're probably receiving the emails. Look at the emails and craft it into your own words. Do not copy and paste. That's not good. That's not right. Okay, what you want to do is you look at the title, you want to look at the description of the email, and then craft it into your own words, put it into your own words, make make changes to it, and that's how you write emails. I'm giving you a second idea on how to get these emails out if you can't find any kind of affiliate email swipes in the affiliate resource tool. Very, 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 very important. Okay. Number three, there are so many products that's why I say you need to invest in your business. Buy products. Why? Because some of these products do provide email swipes. Let me give you an example down here. Okay. If I go into my dashboard desktop, you could see, look at this, 1,000 email swipes. I bought a product on Clickbank. Okay, now I don't need to buy products, remember that, because I've been in this business for over 10 years and I know what I'm doing. Okay, but I still buy products. Why? Because to educate myself, there are so many things that you could learn in this business. Okay, so I bought a product and there was an upsell, 1,000 done for you, proven and tested emails. So I bought this, and guess what? I have generated thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars from these email swipes. They have been a very, very helpful resource tool for me. Okay. So sometimes you just don't know. That's why I keep on saying, when you find a product that you believe is genuine, legit, something that's new, that could teach you something, buy it. You don't know. You might find something that will change everything for you. Okay. So this is the third way to actually write emails. And the fourth way is just go to the front end sales page and get some ideas. So for example, I could see here there's a title down here, how I run 9 different YouTube channels and make 6 figures from home. So I would put a title something like 9 YouTube channels earn 6 figures from home, something like that. And then in the description, I will get a bit of ideas from this text and this text, put it together, and there you go. I've just got my first email out. Okay, so I'm giving you some alternate ideas on how to write emails. A lot of people ask me this question, oh, how do I write these emails? I'm just getting started and I don't know how to write emails. Okay, so you got that. You need your lead magnet page. Okay, I've got so many YouTube videos on that, how to create your lead magnet page using ClickFunnels. Okay, and okay, so make sure you watch that out. Okay, or the process is the same if you're going to use ClickFunnels or any other or auto lead magnet, whatever. Okay, you need an autoresponder. I recommend Get Response for Beginners. It's great. If you want to use some other one, that's also good. All right, and then the third, how do you drive traffic to your page? So one of the networks for beginners friendly to drive traffic to start instantly building a list is called Udemy. Okay, now, if you go to my YouTube channel, all right, and you scroll down and you'll see a page like this, okay, a video like this called Solo Ads for Affiliate Marketers. Make sure you watch that. It's a complete tutorial on Udemy, okay, on Udemy. If you watch that, you're going to learn exactly how to find real sellers. Let me just show you. Okay, let me click on this guy. Okay, I don't want to go into too much detail what this is all about and this and that, because I've got a complete tutorial. You could just watch that. The criteria is 5 sales in the last 30 days. So look at this guy. Okay, 30 March sales, got sales, got sales, got sales. Oh my world, this guy's traffic is converting like crazy, I guess. Okay, I think I'll have to look into this guy, man. 32% buy rate, which is absolutely phenomenal. If I buy 1,000 visitors, I will start getting traffic after 2 days, which is great. The guy is from Japan, and yes, the criteria is in the last 30 days, someone says, I got sales. And look at this. This guy is saying makes a ton of sales, Okay, I got 2 front-end sales. Oh my world, I'll have to look into this guy's traffic, okay? So that's the criteria, and I've got a complete tutorial on this. Just watch this video. Okay, so that's all for now. Digistore24 affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more on ways to how to make money online, then here's the steps you need to take. Scroll below this video and you're going to find a subscribe button just like this. Okay, smash the red subscribe button and click the notification bell. It will be appreciated and you will get notified whenever I come up with a brand new make money online video. Step number 2, click this thumbs up, give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. All right, add this video to your favorites, share this video with your followers, they're going to get a lot of value. And then under the description, you're going to see a description just like this. When you click on show more, it's going to open up the whole description. You're going to find some couple of links that will help you build a successful internet business from scratch. So that's all for now. If you have any questions, just leave a comment for me, let me know, and I will see you in the next video.